Tutedude review. Is this online learning platform worth it? If you've heard about Tutedude and are wondering whether it's a worthwhile learning platform, this review will walk you through what it offers, how it works, and whether it's worth your time and investment. Tutedude positions itself as an online learning platform that delivers courses, classes, or tutorials across various subjects. The aim is to give users access to educational content they can use to build skills, prepare for tests, or gain new knowledge. Getting started with Tutedude usually involves signing up, browsing available courses, and enrolling in those that match your learning goals. The platform may include video lessons, practice materials, and resources designed to help learners at different levels. How user-friendly the interface is can make a big difference, especially if you plan to use it regularly. One of the key things people look for in an online learning platform is course quality and relevance. Good courses will clearly explain concepts, use engaging teaching styles, and provide useful practice or examples to reinforce learning. If lessons feel too basic or lack depth, learners may need to supplement with other resources. Another major consideration is flexibility. A strong platform lets you learn at your own pace, revisit lessons as needed, and access materials across devices. Support and feedback options, like instructor help, community forums, or progress tracking, can also boost the overall experience. Pricing and value are important too. Some platforms offer a subscription, one-time course fees, or tiered plans that unlock additional content. The real question is whether the cost aligns with the quality and quantity of learning you receive. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, Tutedude can be appealing because it offers structured learning opportunities across different subjects and allows you to learn at your own pace. Being able to access lessons from multiple devices adds convenience if you study on the go. On the downside, the cons focus on variability and value. Course depth and quality may differ between subjects, and some learners might find certain lessons too basic for their goals. Support responsiveness and pricing can also influence whether the platform feels worth the investment. In summary, Tutedude can be worth it if you're looking for flexible, self-paced learning with a variety of courses. Time 0.7. If you prioritize highly in-depth instruction, advanced topics, or strong instructor support, comparing it with other learning platforms may help you find the best fit for your goals.